Experiencing silence during AT&T calls? This video explains the root cause and the fixes. Starting in late 2023, many users faced one-way audio or complete silence during calls. This was primarily due to the rollout of VoLTE, Voice over LTE, enhancements, and 5G integration. We'll break down why this happened and what AT&T has done to address it. The no-sound issue stems from disruptions in voice transmission within AT&T's network. VoLTE uses IP-based calls over LTE 5G instead of older methods. Problems arise from codec incompatibilities, where mismatched encoding and decoding of audio causes dropouts, and failures during network handovers between 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi calling. Imagine it like a language barrier between devices or a dropped connection during a relay race. AT&T tackled the no-sound issue with a major software update called AT&T Update 2025.2, released in September 2025. This update specifically patched bugs in their IMS infrastructure, which handles voice calls over IP networks. It forced resets of VoLTE settings to ensure proper configuration and improved how codecs are prioritized for better audio compatibility. The update significantly reduced no-sound incidents by over 70%, acting like a software patch that smoothed out the entire communication process between devices and the network. While AT&T has made strides, the issue can still occur, especially in rural areas. If you experience no sound, try toggling Wi-Fi calling off and on or switching to 4G. Make sure VoLTE is enabled in your phone's settings. It's also good to check your signal strength, aiming for -80 dBm or better. These simple steps can often resolve the problem. If you have an Android device, make sure the AT&T Fix Tool app is installed and network settings are configured. Let's look at some real-world examples of the no-sound issue on AT&T. The February 2024 outage affected over 70,000 users, causing many reports of no sound during calls due to a router failure in Atlanta. In rural areas like Appalachia, weak 5G signals can cause devices to fall back to 3G networks, which don't support VoLTE technology needed for clear voice calls. In this specific case, the problem was resolved through a site-specific tower upgrade, combined with a user-side app that reset network preferences to restore proper VoLTE functionality. These real-world cases demonstrate the diverse nature of the no-sound issue, from infrastructure failures to coverage limitations, and how solutions can involve both network upgrades and user actions. Experts at GSMA and Gartner acknowledge AT&T's progress, but highlight ongoing vulnerabilities. AT&T's 2025 Q4 earnings showed a 15% decrease in call drop rates, attributed to the 2025.2 update. User surveys show improved call quality, with no sound complaints down 65%. While the situation has improved, experts emphasize proactive monitoring to prevent future issues. According to FCC data, AT&T resolved 90% of reported audio faults by Q1 2026. The trend is towards AI-assisted diagnostics and proactive fixes. AT&T is integrating machine learning to predict and preempt audio issues. As we move towards 6G, voice calls will embed advanced error correction. The future predicts near elimination of these issues by 2028, with software-driven solutions taking precedence over hardware replacements. Unified standards, like 3GPP Release 18, will also help.